Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Telegram message without them knowing that we have opened their message. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our Telegram application on our mobile phone. And after we have this Telegram application opened, we can long press on the profile picture of a room chat we want to view the message. For instance, I'm going to view the message of this room chat. So I'm gonna long press on this profile picture like this, and then as you can see here, we will be able to view the message without opening the room chat. You just need to scroll down to see the whole message, and I'm going to practice it one more time. Just long press on the profile picture, and then you'll be able to see the preview of the message without opening the room chat. So they will not know if we have opened their message or if we have opened or if we have read their message. Alright guys, and that's how we can view Telegram message without them knowing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.